Now what we're gonna learn about is ActiveSheets, which is sheets and sheet name. Okay, so let's start off by showing you the sheets. You can see that there are a lot of sheets, but in here let's just see sheet 10 and sheet 2. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, yeah, obviously use the immediate windows and get to know the name, or maybe like renaming it, and then select whichever sheet I need, or just go to the sheet I want to go to. So first off, the first thing what I'm gonna do is renaming the sheet, not from here, but from this immediate windows. So first off, what we're gonna do is learn this command, which is ActiveSheet. Okay, so you can see that my active sheet is sheet 10. Let's just rename it first from here. Okay, let it be ActiveSheet. Okay, let's just name this something more like clear sheet. Okay, let it be clear sheet. Now what I'm gonna do is type in the code, which is active, then ActiveSheet dot name. What I'm gonna do is just type in equal. When you just hit enter, or when you just active sheet name, just press enter, you will see that the active sheet will pop up wherever you want it to be. Okay, or just press in question, it's clear sheet. Okay, you have to add in question mark before like the question. It doesn't work like humans do it, but add in at the first. Now what I'm gonna do is change the name of the sheet. So as I did it from here, so you can see that my cursor is gonna be here the whole time. I'm not gonna use the cursor or move it anywhere, but instead I'm gonna just use codes to rename the active sheet, which is named clear sheet. Now what I'm gonna do is use the same like command, active sheet. You can still see that my cursor is right over here. Let it be here so you can see it all the time. Active sheet. Then I'm gonna do is press dot name. It's my cursor is right over here. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. Now I'm gonna do is active name equal, then double quotation. Let's just name it filled sheet. Okay, let's just name it white sheet. White sheet. Okay, double quotation again, and now you can see that the name has been renamed. Okay, it was clear sheet first and now it's white sheet. So this is how you can like rename the active sheet which you're using right now. Now let's move on to how you're gonna like select the sheet. Okay, which sheet number it's gonna be or you want to go to. So what I'm gonna do first is name sh, or use this command, which is sheets, open the parenthesis, and then choose the sheet number. Let it be sheet 2. Okay, sheet 2. So add in double quotation. I forget most of the time, but you have to like use the double quotation or else it's not gonna work. Sheet, it's gonna be sheet 2, double quotation, and again. Then what I'm gonna do is just dot select. Okay, now it's just gonna go to sheet 2. Now you can see that this has jumped to sheet 2. Okay, let's jump to sheet or the white sheet again. Okay, to do that what we're gonna do is just type in sheets, open parenthesis, then double quotation. Okay, okay, it should be white sheet. Okay, now as I was writing, which was white sheet. Okay, it was named white sheet. You can just see it above here. It was white sheet, right? Now close the parenthesis, and after closing the parenthesis what we're gonna do is just tap on select or dot select. My bad, I've been typing it all wrong. Select. Okay, hit enter, and you can see that it has jumped to white sheet again. So this is how like your active sheets, active sheet naming, sheets and names, all of them work together. Okay, in VBA and Microsoft Excel. So let's move on to the last lesson.